Alright, we got the Tom, we'll show you what you got right now.
That's a McGriddle right there.
A griddle one biter.
From
And
Denny's.
Denny.
Double.
We show double McGriddle right here. Wait, first, who should go first? Who should? Here, I'll flip a coin.
We're going at the same time.
Same time?
Yeah, same time. This is like a mini one though. It's alright. Okay. You know. So fattening.
Ooh.
One biter.
Let Tomo go first, then you.
No, it's one biter. Both of us.
I can't record both of you at the same time.
Alright.
Okay, come closer. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hold on, buddy. I gotta eat it like this. So you're mad.
Go. One biter. Oh, it took. Oh. Keep going. Oh.
This one biter.
One biter? Alright.
It was too big.
Ooh, Junior's challenging you. Ooh, and he dipped in syrup. Ooh.
I wasn't gonna do it. Hey, nigga. Where's my water? Alright.
Damn. Go get him, Junior. Hurry up. Oh, and a fry.
Girls, when your phone would be dead without me.
From the NSP right there. NSP.
That's Everett.
This is from IDSP. I do have a 6th period.
No, you didn't. Aim everyone saying I'm mad.
Damn, the food almost came out my nose.
Can you give me my vessel?
Damn.
Yeah, you got Jack on me?
Ooh, I don't think.
Let's put some sweet and low in it.
Pancake. Can I have some pancake? Alright, want to push stop now?
Hey, Lou, is it
Keep going?
L-E-U?
Oh, wants to keep going.
You can't handle me, man.
Can't handle it. Can't handle it.
Stop!
Say I am mad.
Oh my gosh, everyone's so retarded right now.
You can't handle me, man.
Why were you trying to pull my hair?
For my nigga Joe in Idaho. For my nigga Gene in Tonga.
Ew, is that teriyaki and syrup?
And this piece is about to be for my
Oh, I had to take my pancake
nigga Jay.
though,
My nigga
man.
Jay, he's about to leave.
My pancake though.
You look like you're about to cry.
You can't handle me, man.
You guys are so sad.
Yeah.
Stop it.
Yeah. Junior, just eat it.
What?
Push the red button.
Oh, red button? Which one? This one?